What's up, guys? Check out this baby car monitor camera. So it comes with the camera itself, obviously, and this wire is designed to hook up to your car. So it comes with a USB port for your car charger, and then it also comes with a USB for your phone. What's really cool about this is for an iPhone, right? But it also comes with a converter for Android, like that. Also comes with some straps to strap this onto the headrest of your back seat. That way you could perfectly see your kid while they're in the back. So once you plug in your phone and the camera's turned on, it actually auto tells you to get an app, and then you download the app. And this is what the app looks like. It shows you what the camera is seeing. The app even allows you to take video and photo. And it also saves an album of your pictures and videos on the app as well. But good for keeping track of your baby, especially on long road trips or long drives. Make sure that they're doing okay. Especially maybe if you have a bigger car and they're like way in the back and you're in the front. It makes it easier for you to keep an eye on them. Make sure that they're doing okay. So go ahead, check it out.